Well, hello dolls, and welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial is going to be a twisted Bantu knot out on stretched hair. So first I'm going to be starting off by using Earth's Nectar's Coconut Curl Leave-In Conditioner, and I'm going to be applying this to each section. And then once I put that Coconut Curls leave-in in, I'm going to detangle slightly with my wet brush. After that, I'm going to be using my Sweet Orange and Honey Pomade, and this is going to be my styling agent. Once that's applied, I'm going to twist my hair. Then I'm going to Bantu knot each section. So it's the next day. My hair is officially set in the Bantu knots. So now I'm going to unravel and just take a look and see how my hair is looking, if I like it, if I want to retwist, or if I can fluff it and go. And as you can see, the products have set in my hair very well. Keep in mind, I'm not a professional, so what style works for me may not work for you, but you just try it and see. So from now, I'm just gonna fluff my hair, and I'm loving the fluffiness, the fullness. I'm loving the results of the moisture that the products gave me. And from there, I got poppin' curls, y'all. Y'all know I love the poppin' curls. So if you guys are interested in these hair products, please visit your ULTA Beauty near you. They are in 650 ULTAs nationwide, you guys. Such a huge accomplishment. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. And until next time, I'll see you gorgeous. Bye.